Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Right, just fresh in part exchange, lovely Nissan Qashqai, 1.5 diesel, dCi Acenta Plus, two-wheel drive, start-stop. 100,000 miles, free road tax, got some service history. 2 keys with it, lovely thing actually. I've just driven it, really impressed. So as you can see, beautiful metallic red, no dents, no scratches, no stone chips, really been looked after. £5,995. Now the Acenta Plus, apart from leather, has everything you could wish for. Reverse camera, park sensors, big panoramic glass roof, sat nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio, 6-speed manual diesel, load covers in there, got privacy glass. Honestly, drives absolutely, and just drives so well. But you can see alloy wheels, nice condition. This on the back look fairly fresh. All the tyres have got lots of tread on. None of the wheels are curved, not stone chipped or anything. Daytime LED running lights in the headlamps, keyless entry. Has got fitted mats, they're in the back. The front ones were just at work, we've just given them a little clean off. Trim everywhere, lovely condition, clean. Multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, reverse camera all working, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, electric handbrake, 2 keys with the car remote keys. Remember, free tax, plenty of miles to the gallon, tyre pressure monitoring. The rear mats are in. It's lovely and clean everywhere. Big panoramic glass sunroof. Rear park sensors as well as a reverse camera. Big boot. Nice and clean. Load covers in there. A lot of nice car for £5,995 in very nice condition. Another nice wheel. You can see the aluminium tyre pressure monitoring valves in the wheels. They're in good condition and not all corroded like they sometimes are. Paintwork everywhere. Very nice. One tiny little mark on the rear bumper is all that I can find. Folding mirrors, electric windows, cruise control. I think it's got some sort of lane assist as well down there, but definitely got reverse camera. I'll show you in a minute. Cruise control, 100,215 miles. Has got Bluetooth, has got DAB radio, has got a big pan roof and an electric sun blind. Nowhere really on the driver's seat. Pop it in reverse and you've got a camera. Nice car. Keyless entry, keyless start. As I say, apart from leather trim, fully loaded. Being looked after, drives exceptionally well. £5,995. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock on our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock, and you will be one of the first people in the country to know we've had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.